The Battle of Zealand Point, also known as the Battle of the Baltic, took place on March 22, 1808, during the Napoleonic Wars. This naval engagement was part of the Gunboat War between Denmark-Norway and the United Kingdom, focusing on the control of Danish waters. The British Royal Navy, seeking to enforce a blockade against Napoleonic France and its allies, targeted Danish naval forces. The Danish fleet, although smaller and less powerful, was determined to resist British dominance in the Baltic Sea. On the day of the battle, a British squadron led by Captain Richard Goodwin Keats aboard HMS Superb encountered a Danish flotilla commanded by Captain Carl Wilhelm Jessen on the frigate HMS Prinds Christian Frederik. Despite being heavily outgunned, the Danish captain decided to engage the British to prevent them from further disrupting Danish naval operations. The engagement was fierce, but relatively short. The Danish frigate fought valiantly, but the superior firepower and tactical positioning of the British ships quickly overwhelmed it. After sustaining significant damage and heavy casualties, Captain Jessen was forced to surrender Prinds Christian Frederik to the British. The Battle of Zealand Point demonstrated the overwhelming naval superiority of the British Royal Navy during this period and further solidified their control over the Baltic Sea. For the Danes, it was a display of bravery and resilience, symbolizing their resistance against British maritime dominance. Despite their defeat, the battle remains a notable example of the smaller naval force's determination in the face of a superior opponent.